In ancient Egypt, pressing your own backyard sesame seeds to cook dinner was a crime. Get caught with a homemade press and you faced a catastrophic fine of 3,000 drachmas. Why? It traces back to King Ptolemy II. He took total state control of the food supply chain to build history's first fully documented command economy. It started in the dirt. Surveyors dictated the exact acreage that every farmer had to plant with sesame. At harvest, farmers were forced to sell every single seed directly to the crown. Those seeds were processed in state factories by laborers who were legally forbidden from quitting. With private presses outlawed and imports heavily taxed, citizens were trapped. You had to buy oil from state-licensed merchants at artificially inflated prices. To enforce this, the state deputized these merchants to hunt down the black market. They could legally raid homes, paying neighbors to inform on anyone hiding a secret press. So that massive 3,000 drachma fine for daring to make your own oil at home? That penalty didn't go to the king. It was paid directly to the local merchant who caught you. The state wasn't just punishing a kitchen crime, they were using armed guards to protect a retail franchise.